Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a project called Online Medicine. Generally, we buy medicines in a store. We'll get to the store and we'll ask for the medicines which we need. So sometimes some kind of medicines will be there, all the stores cannot provide. So for that particular medicine, customers have to visit that place where the medicine is available. This is a time consuming process and there involves much time and effort. So for this reason, we have created this website where customers can find every medicine in this website. If there is no such medicine is available, they can know and they can find the medicine if it is available. We'll see the flow diagram that we can have good clarity about the website. This is the flow diagram of this project. In this project, admin and customer are the two modules. Admin in the sense he is a person who provides medicine here. Admin have default credentials. Without default credentials, admin will log in. After logging into account, admin will add the categories available in the medicine such as syrups, tablets or etc. After adding the categories, admin can view the categories and based on these categories, admin will add the medicine. If the medicine is not available at the current moment, admin can make the product as unavailable as well. Customers have to register by giving their name, email, phone number, all the details, etc. After successful registration, customers can log in. They can search the medicine they needed. If they find it, they can view it. If they already know the product and they can even comment on the medicine so that other customers can find it useful, will it work for their issue or not. If the customers find the medicine they are searching for, they can add the medicine into the cart. From that cart, they can remove the item or the place the order with the payment. They have to pay the relevant payment and place the order. This particular order will send to the admin. Admin can view the orders there. After viewing the orders, admin will mark the order status as dispatched. Now the medicine is available and it is ready to be taken, so customers will collect the order by getting into the medical store. Both admin and customers can view the order history. Admin can view the sales per day including every medicine, and admin also can view the sales of the day per product or medicine, you can say. So let's look at the website. This is the homepage of online medicine. We have discussed that admin have predefined login credentials. Those are username is admin and password is also admin. After logging into his account, admin will add the categories in the medicine. These are the already added categories. Now we'll add diabetes medicines. Based on these categories, admin will add the medicine. Brand name, product type and category we have to choose, which is already default because we have clicked already. Now we have to, admin will choose the picture for the tablet. Yeah, let's download one. Metformin. Now we can select it. This is it. Yeah, much more faint. Price we have to mention and description. Product is added. Now let's register as customer. Customers have to register first. Name we have to give. Email. Phone number. Password for login purpose. Address. Picture for the profile. Customer registers successfully. Now customers can log in. Now customers can view the products and they can also search as well. They can find it. Now they can add it into the cart. They can view the cart. From here they can remove. It will be removed. Otherwise they can even place it. They can confirm. They can even comment on the product. Yeah, comments also will be added. So now we'll see. This is the card. Customers can order it by paying the relevant amount. They have to give their card details. Name on card. They have to mention CVV 3 digits and expiry date. Order is placed. You can see ordered here. This particular order will be sent to the admin. Admin will view it and dispatch it. Orders, click on orders, dispatch. Now customers can collect the products, which means medicines. Order, we can see they can collect. The order is collected. In the history page they can see the orders. Now we'll see admin can able to view the products. Sales per day. This is the sales per day for this day. This is the syrups and the products. This is all about online medicine. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.